How do you know if someone is right for you or not? It's a question I get asked really regularly. I get asked it by people who are deciding whether they want to continue seeing someone, whether the relationship they're in right now is right for them or not, if they've been together a sort of median amount of time, let's say a few months. And this technique that I'm about to share with you is a perfect tool for being able to make some of the bigger decisions if you're not sure, because I know it's very easy to go out and seek advice, and you're probably going to get a mishmash of different advice, and you want to be careful what advice you accept as well, because if you've got friends who are potentially jealous of your relationship, they may want to sabotage. I'm not saying it happens all the time, but that can happen. And family, maybe they have their own agenda. We don't know, but the truth is, if you want a reliable method of making a decision, then this is what you need to do. There is a technique known as Kinesiology Strength Testing, and it's better done with someone else, but you can still do this on your own if you want to kind of inquire as to which decision to make. So it's a very simple technique. It's very easy to do, and anyone can do it. Like I said, if you can do it with someone else, it's probably better, but you can still do it on your own and you will get the same results. And very simply, this is what you've got to do. First and foremost, you're going to just take any arm, your left or your right, doesn't matter, and put it in front of you like this. So you're going to kind of hold it out just like this. And what you're going to do is you're going to kind of hold some tension there, but not too strong. You're not going to like really flex or anything, but there's going to be a little bit of tension there in your arm. And then what you're going to do is you're going to ask yourself very simple positive yes, negative no questions. And when you do that, you're going to test the strength of your arm and to see if it goes strong or goes weak. So we're going to just do a quick test right now. So I'm going to just hold my mic with this hand so I can do this. And then I'm going to ask myself some very simple yes, no questions. Is my name Amit? And my arm goes strong, didn't go down. Is my name Nick? And my arm goes weak and it goes down. Did I do the right thing by marrying my wife? My arm goes strong, so that was the right thing. Is this video going to go viral? And my arm goes weak. So you can see that what's going to happen is the tension in your arm is going to change naturally. And you might be tempted to think, oh, he's just doing it, he's just changing it. Try it for yourself and see. Why did this work? Well, we can get into that detail if you want to, but from a spiritual perspective, it is about this universal intelligence flowing through our body and being able to just ask questions and ask that universal intelligence that is connected to every and all things, and you that oneness that we all are as well. So whether you believe in this or not, try it. There are many things that have come our way in the last sort of 10, 15 years. You know, fasting was a fad and considered to be pseudoscience. Now it's part of the mainstream narrative. Then you had things like, for example, like in India, a common thing is, you know, squatting when you go to the loo. And, you know, at first people thought that was barbaric, but now it's part of the mainstream narrative, understanding that actually is better for clearing our bowels to go in a squat position. And you can even get devices that do that, put your toilet in a squat position. I don't know why I'm talking about the toilet, but anyway, let's get back to the main point. The main point is this, that people often laugh at things which they seem to be pseudoscience, and there is some scientific testing done on this. It's inconclusive right now, and the jury's out. But I'm one of these people, I like to give things a chance. If something I think could potentially work, and I've tried it for myself, and I've tried it on hundreds of people, and it seems to work, then I'm going to give it the benefit of the doubt, and I'm going to continue to use it. So try it for yourself. Use one arm, put it out in front of you, and just do that test. Remember, positive yes, negative no questions are what work. And then you can actually decipher for yourself whether, for example, someone is right for you, or a decision you've got to make, or a big decision you're about to face, like whether you should do something or not, you know, take on a job, whatever it might be. It can be very handy for that, especially if you're feeling particularly lost in that moment. It's a great way to use as a compass for yourself and a kind of decision-making tool. So what do you think? Let me know. I'll be interested to hear your thoughts on after trying this. I mean, you can slate this if you want to, or you can just try it for yourself and see what happens. But either way, let me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and just try it for yourself before you completely knock it. I'm Amit Sodha, Holistic Love Coach, and I truly hope to see you at one of my upcoming Attractive Soulmate Masterclasses, and I cannot wait to see you there. Ciao for now.